the greatest infrastructure build-out in history is underway. The world is racing to build chip, system, and AI factories, and every month of delay costs billions in lost revenues. AI factory revenues are equal to tokens per watt. So with power constraints, every unused watt is revenue lost. NVIDIA DSX is an Omniverse digital twin blueprint for designing and operating AI factories for maximum token throughput, resilience, and energy efficiency. Developers connect through several APIs. DSX Sim for physical, electrical, thermal, and network simulation. DSX Exchange for AI factory operational data. DSX Flex for secure, dynamic power management between the grid. And DSX Max Q to dynamically maximize token throughput. It starts with SIM-ready assets from NVIDIA and equipment manufacturers, managed by PTC Windchill PLM. Then, model-based systems engineering is done in Dassault Systems 3D Experience. Jacobs brings the data into their custom Omniverse app to finalize design. It's tested with leading simulation tools, using Siemens Star CCM Plus for external thermals, Cadence Reality for internal, ETAP for electrical, and NVIDIA's network simulator, DSX Air, and virtually commissioned through Procore to ensure accelerated construction time. When the site goes live, the digital twin becomes the operator. AI agents work with DSX Max Q to dynamically orchestrate infrastructure. Phaedra's agent oversees cooling and electrical systems, sending signals to Max Q, which continuously optimizes compute throughput and energy efficiency. Emerald AI agents interpret live grid demand and stress signals and adjust power dynamically. With DSX, NVIDIA and our ecosystem of partners are racing to build AI infrastructure around the world, ensuring extreme resiliency, efficiency, and throughput.